Namaste, children. Welcome back to English class. Children, now let us read. Okay? See, listen carefully and look at where I am reading. Okay, children? Ammu was 6 years old. She was very selfish. That is why she had no friends. One day, a new girl, Priya, came to class 1. Poor Priya, she found maths and Kannada difficult. She used to cry sometimes. Help her to learn, Ammu, said Ammu's mother. No, I won't, said Ammu. Priya is a crybaby. Ammu's mother said, all right, no swimming for you. Ammu loved to go to the swimming pool, so she had to teach maths to Priya. Soon Priya could do her homework easily. One day, Ammu got angry and pushed a boy. The teacher was not happy with her. Ammu had to stay back after school. She had to clean the board and make the class tidy. All alone, she cried and cried. That is how Priya saw her. She helped Ammu, and the class was soon neat and clean. Thanks, Priya, said Ammu. Priya taught Ammu how to be kind. The two girls became the best friends. Look here, children. Ammu was 6 years old. How old are you? You're also around 6 years, isn't it? So here, Ammu, a girl, she is 6 years old. She was very selfish. Selfish means only for herself they will be. She wants everything for her like that. That is selfish. That is why she had no friends. See, if we help others and if we are friendly with others, then only all become friends, isn't it? If we are selfish, only for me, everything is for me only. Like that, if you think, nobody will be friends. So, like that, Ammu did not had any friends. One day, a new girl, Priya, came to class 1. So, this poor Priya, she found maths and Kannada difficult. Priya found maths and Kannada difficult. She used to cry sometimes because if she was not able to solve the problems or to learn Kannada, she used to cry sometimes. So what happened? Ammu's mother said, help her to learn, Ammu. But what did Ammu say? No, I won't. See, I won't help her because Priya is a crybaby. Sometimes she will be crying, so I won't help, she said. But what did Ammu's mother do? Ammu's mother said, all right, no swimming for you. If you don't help her, I will not take you for the swimming pool. So, but Ammu loved to go to swimming pool. So she started to teach Priya maths. Soon Priya could do her homework easily. One day Ammu got angry and she pushed a boy, as you all will be doing in the class, isn't it? But here it is not good, isn't it? Ammu, what she did? She pushed a boy. The teacher got angry. So she told Ammu to stay back in the school and clean the board and make the class tidy. So she was scared. All alone she has to do, isn't it? So she started to cry. She cried and cried. That time, Priya saw her. Then Priya came and helped Ammu and the class was so neat and tidy. Then Ammu said, "Thanks, Priya." Priya taught Ammu how to be kind. Then both became the best friends. Children, I'll send you this sheet. You must sit and read. Okay, children? I have only this match the four words with their meanings. Let us see this. Let us learn. I will send only this. You write down. Okay? Cry baby. Cry baby means a child who cries for everything they call as cry baby. Okay? So only it is two. Friend. Who is a friend? Someone you like is a friend, isn't it? Selfish. Who's a selfish? Thinking only about oneself. Everything for me only. Thinking only about oneself is called selfish. Neat and tidy. Everything in its place, to keep everything in its own place. Kind. Good. Swimming pool. Do you all like to go to swimming pool, children? Swimming pool is a big pond of water where one can swim. Punish. Punish is to make a wrongdoer suffer a bit. That is called punishment or punish. Okay, child. Okay, children, you must learn this. I'll send you read and then write. I'll send one worksheet along with this, children. Worksheet should be done only in your homework book or UT book you have got. No, don't do it in homework book. In the UT book, you must write it. Okay, children. If you are not yet kept, keep one new book for this worksheet and write down in that. Okay, this note should be written in the classwork. Okay, thank you.